When l'on pa gen maman, I understand what that is. I don't have that feeling. I don't anticipate
I have
to have
that
that
feeling.
feeling.
Perdu maman, so I feel it.
Yeah, but I anticipate, I can see that because my mother plays such a big role in my life. And ka comprendre ki jan ou moun kapab viv, ou comprendre li vraiment difficile lò viv et pour pa gen maman. Parce que maman c'est pas ka remplacer.
On bagay besoin di, et puis I'm hoping Mahadya la pren tan wè sa. Mpa rekonnet maman, mais d'après témoignage yo, d'après...
Nou te nan wek lan.
Oh my gosh.
Nou te gen privilège pou nou te voyaje, mwen avèk Pascal, pou nou te ale nan wek lan. Lè nou rive nan wek lan, this testimonial that moun yo bay de Maman Mahadya, I felt chilled.
Yes, very, very chilled.
And it was such
It was very
beautiful,
it was moving. It was very moving.
To know that someone like that lived amongst us.
Yeah.
And franchement, mwen regret ke m pat gen chans de
konet li.
Parce que ça, c'est un ped pour toute humanité. Pour jan moun yo pale de madame nan.
Yeah.
So,
Mahadya, condolences.